everyone, it's Diel.
Remember when I told you no matter where I go.
Today I'm going to explain the teaching media that I made. Its name is Verb Wheel and Noun Flashcards. As you can see, the wheel contains verbs and the flashcards contain nouns that also contain the verbs. It is made from cardboard for the spinning wheel, and I covered the cardboard using the colored paper, and the colored paper also used to make the flashcards. I also printed some pictures here and wrote the words using colored marker to attract the students. And the purpose of the media is to engage the students in learning how to make a sentence contains of verbs and nouns. They also learn to speak bravely in front of the class. This teaching media is suitable for primary school students grade 4 until 6. And now, I will explain how to use the media to achieve the goals. First, I explain the material about verbs and nouns and also give the examples in making the sentence so the students understand how to make a sentence. Second, after I explain the material, the students have to come to the front and spin the wheel to get the verb. After they get the verb, they have to search for the nouns in the flashcards that also contains the verbs. It has the same color between the verbs and the nouns. For example, if the verb is written in pink color, so the flashcard is also in pink color, like this, eat and pizza. After that, they have to make a sentence using the verb and noun provided. Example, like this, eat and pizza. And if they get difficulty in making the sentence, there is a sentence behind the flashcard to help them. For example, like this, I eat pizza, and they won't face any difficulties in making the sentence. To make you understand clearly, I will do a teaching simulation. I will pretend that I teach 4th grader students. Okay. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Okay, good. Before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray start now. Pray finish. Okay. Do you know what a sentence is?
No.
Okay, a sentence is the basic unit of language which expresses a complete thought. A sentence has at least a subject and a main verb. Last week we learned about the subject. Do you still remember? What are the subjects?
Yes.
What?
I,
you, we,
they,
they,
he, she, it.
Yes, correct. Now, we will learn the main verb and the noun. Verb is an action word. It is something that you do. For example, like walk, run, jump, eat. It is something that you do. Okay, what about the noun? Noun is used to identify any of class of people, places, or things. For example, for person, it is like a person, boy, girl, and then teacher, student, and the name of people. Can you please mention the name of people?
And
Rafa,
Iko, Alingga, Feby.
Baby. Okay, good. And for places, the examples are home, class, school, park, mall. And for thing, it is like table, car, marker, handphone, and etc. A sentence must include the subject and the verb. For example, I will write here, I play. And then you walk. Like this. It is a sentence, but a short sentence. And now the sentence should also include the noun, not only the subject and the verb, but the noun.
Yeah.
For example, I will write the example here. I learn English language. Okay, this is the example that contains of subject, verb, and the noun. Okay, do you get it, kids?
Get it?
Okay. You just put the noun at the end of the sentence. Like this. And I have something with me here. And this is the game.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever seen this game before?
Yeah.
It is the same as the lucky spin. You spin the wheel and you will get something from it. Okay, understand?
Understand.
Today we are going to learn how to make sentence in simple present tense through this media. You have to make a sentence in simple present tense using the verbs from the wheel. Simple present is using the basic form. Always use verb 1. Do you know verb 1? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, as I mentioned before, the verb 1 is play, walk. It is the basic form. The
Okay.
verb 1. Okay? Understand?
Understand.
I will give you the full sentence like this. This is the full sentence. It is the subject, and this is the verb 1, and this is the noun.
Noun.
So this is the sentence, how to make a sentence. Okay, good. Now, I want you to come to the front and spin the wheel. Diko, can you please come to the front?
Can?
Okay, come here. Now, I want you to spin the wheel once. Spin. Okay, what verb do you get?
Was.
Wash. And now, you have to search for the noun here in the flashcards. The color is blue, so the flashcard is blue. Okay, please make a sentence using wash and hand. Can you please make a
I
sentence?
wash my hand.
Okay, good, Diko. Now you understand how to make a sentence?
I understand.
Yes. From I wash my hand, what is the subject?
The subject is I
The verb
wash
and the noun is?
my hand.
Okay, good. You may sit.
Okay.
And then, Rafa, can you please come to front and spin the wheel? Yes. What words you get? Watch and search for the... What is the color of this?
Green.
Okay. Yes. Can you please make a sentence using watch and movie?
I watch movie.
Okay, great. Thank you, Rafa. You may go back to your seat. Okay, class, you have already understood how to make a sentence, right?
Yeah.
Yes. And you can make a complete sentence using verbs and nouns. You did a great job. This is the end of our meeting today. And don't forget to always practice your English every day.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for today and see you.
See you.
Have a nice day. Okay. That's all of my teaching simulation using this media. And what experience will the students get from the media? First, students will know how to make a sentence contains verbs and nouns. And second, they will be brave to speak in front of their friends. And last but not least, they will increase their creativity in making sentences since they can make any type of sentences. Before I close my explanation about the teaching media, I have one thing to tell you about this media. I designed this media to be reused for any subjects and any grade levels. Just change the cover of the cardboard with another material. I will show you how to change it. So you can just pull this out. Yes, and yes. You can peel this cover, but to make it easier, I will just put another material and do this. Yes, and the material is changed. Now put again in here. Wait, it needs patience. Yes. Don't forget to lock it. Yes, now you have a new material. The learning material is for primary school students 1 to 2 graders. The material is about a vocabulary. As you can see, there are pictures of animals here. And I will do a short simulation for this part. Diko, can you please come to the front? Yes. Okay, spin it. What animal is that?
Lion.
Okay, can you spell it?
Can?
Yes, spell it.
L
L
I
I
O
O
N.
N. Yes, great. Thank you. You may go back to your seat. You can use this media for any learning purposes and for any target learners. The cardboard is strong enough to be used many times. And the most important thing is the main purpose of this media. It is to practice students' speaking skill because they have to come to the front and speak in front of the class. Okay, that's all of my explanation and teaching simulation using non-technical media. Hope you get something from my explanation. Thank you and see you guys!